Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Talkie app. Here we go to settings. Here you can go to apps, default apps, app settings. On above you can search about Talkie app and you can click. Here in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click on clear cache. In the end you can turn off your phone and you can wait a moment to turn on your phone again to fix this problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for your attention and your watching.